Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl. Purple. And guys, guess what? This is going to be an unboxing video of my Shop Miss A that I ordered weeks ago that I forgot what the heck I ordered. But first, I'm gonna do an update with you guys because you're probably wondering, Purple, what the heck you doing with the sunglasses on up in the house? Well guys, if you watched my first video of this year, which was my Ipsy bag video, I mentioned that I was having some problems with my eyesight. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. It didn't go as well as I expected. I got news that I didn't want to hear. It was by far one of my worst days so far. I will be in the coming weeks getting a second opinion on my sight issue. And at that point, if my second opinion goes along with what I was told yesterday, then I will disclose everything to you guys. But for now, I would love for my POB family to keep me in positive thoughts. Please. And I also want to give a special thank you to my baby Blue. Blue got me this bear yesterday because I had the most crappiest day yesterday. I even got pulled over by the cops on my way from the doctor because I was so upset. They said I was speeding. I maybe was pushing the gas a little bit, but yeah, I had a horrible day yesterday. But I'm trying to be positive and wait for that second opinion, and hopefully that second opinion tells me something wonderful. So let's get into this unboxing of my Shop Miss A goodies. Okay, POB fam, I'm back. But first, I want y'all to see this big, giant, super-sized box that Shop Miss A sent my stuff in, y'all. I came home and I seen this big box on the porch. I'm like, I didn't order nothing in a box like that. Y'all, look at this. Look at this big, huge box that they sent my stuff in. Yeah, that box. So I'm gonna show you guys what came in that box. And the reason why I feel it was unnecessary, because that box is huge, y'all. And this is the bag that the stuff that I got came in. This bag and that big giant box. So let's just jump right into it. Everybody knows the new trend is the headband wigs, and everybody going super crazy over them, which is something that your girl Purple's been rocking years ago. If you look back at some of our old videos, you would see me with the headband wigs. I used to wear them because they were very cheap, and when I wanted something quick and just a little cheap, I'll buy a headband wig. But now, since they're so popular, the prices have gone up. And y'all know I stay on top of the beat with the trends. So what I did is I ordered me some bands to go on some of these headband wigs that your girl got. I got it in brown and black. And it has the little bow tie look already. I also ordered a camo one. But this just is plain. And then this fiery looking color one. And guys, y'all know it would not be purple if I didn't order something purple. So here goes, guys. Look, it's purple and blue. and it's like a tie-dye galaxy starry headband. So I'm excited about that. Actually, that could go with the dress that I'm rocking today. Y'all see that? Ah. And the girl is still down for her weight. So I'm excited about that. My next item here is a little fan, which I got this trick from my girl Lala. But guys, it's purple, but this one is really cheesy. It's like almost paper. It's not the quality of the fans that I'm used to getting from Shop Miss A, even though y'all know it's the dollar holla, but this thing here gonna be broke in no time. Next, y'all know I've gotten into the lashes, and I ordered several of my favorite ones, and this is my favorite one here, and it's called Eva. So I did order 4 pair of those. Gotta keep my eyes ready, even though I can't see like I'm supposed to. Which brings me to the next 2 items that I have, which coming in really, really good handy after that news I got yesterday. And they're sunglasses. I got it in brown and I got them in black. Just some little cheap sunglasses, which looks like they're gonna come in big handy for you, girl, right now. The next thing here that I got, guys, glitter adhesive. So I got a bunch of beautiful, gorgeous glitters, and I'm trying out different adhesives to see which one works best. So be on the lookout for a video on the best glitter adhesive by your girl Purple. We'll see how that one pairs with some of the other ones. The next item I have here, y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this little tool is. It's for them edges, baby, for that baby hair. Now, everybody rocking the baby hair with the little wigs and, you know, the lace fronts and all that. But, you know, you got to keep this right here. And the baby hair is not for everybody. And the baby hair is not for all the time. Some people need to get that part right. Your girl Purple does not rock baby hair all the time. Every now and again when it's appropriate. The next thing I see here, y'all, because y'all know I like to order everything in 2s. It's a little anklet that I thought was super cute. And it has a little heart. It's like a little rhinestone anklet with the toe ring to match. And then I got it also in the star, with the little star hanging on and the matching toe ring. Next, got these babies. And these are, y'all know what that is. The gel eye pads. I love these guys. You know what I do with them? I put them in the refrigerator for a little bit, and then I put them under my eyes and I just relax. I give myself about 15 to 20 minutes with it on. I do this once a week. I haven't tried these particular ones, so this is my first time trying these, but this is part of my skin regimen that I do weekly. And we're talking about skin. Y'all know I love a good sheet mask and I love a good jelly mask. I do a sheet mask once a week and a jelly mask once a week. And that is the last thing that I got was these. I got 2 of them. I haven't tried these ones right here yet, but I will be trying them and see if I like them. And if I do, I will be ordering a gang of them because I love me a good gel mask, y'all. So guys, guess what? Next month, February, is FEB-BLUE-ARY. FEB-BLUE-ARY. It is Blue's birthday month, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. So if you want to support your boy Blue, this is what I need for you to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Share your favorite POV video with somebody who's not part of the POV family. Make sure that they hit that red button that says subscribe. And if they're feeling really bold, drop your name below on whatever video and say that you sent them, and your name will go in a special little space. And at the end of the month, one person will get something special from your girl Purple. Also, guys, don't forget about, if we are able to add 100 more family members by the end of Blue's birthday month of February, there will be a drawing for a $15 Walmart or Amazon gift card, and that's up to the person who wins choice. So if you're wanting to get an extra free $15, send your friends over to the POB family, baby. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, drop some comments, send your buddies, and keep your girl purple in your positive thoughts, because guys, I need them right now. Later, POB fam.